Kelly, and my husband Ron is currently working on our raised garden beds. We're new at content creating and thought that we would share our story with growing and building our beds, trying to be more self-sufficient, as I know there's probably a lot of you out there in this time that are trying to do so. So I just kind of wanted to give you a little insight into what we're doing and how we're doing it. This is inspired by other content creators that have given us this opportunity to learn how to be more self-sufficient and learn our building and our growing as we go along our journey. My husband and I have been growing since 2020. During the pandemic, I started wanting to be more sustainable since that was more trying times as well. We were very successful. The first year was kind of slow, and then after that it just blossomed. So we just wanted to share our story and give you some insight into what we are doing. This is one of our many garden beds that my husband has built and we're still in process of. And they may not be perfect, but they will work for what we need them to work for. So we have this bed, and we have this one, which is going to be for our viney vegetables, fruits and vegetables. These we built last year. We try to use recycled wood, which we did find a lot as my husband works in construction. So we were able to get the wood from some of the construction sites, of course with permission. This is our raised bed made out of pallets and some of the recycled wood. And we made our hoops. And my husband has put in the sprinkler system, which we're still kind of modifying to see how much water we actually need for our bed. And then he bumped these out so we can have extra growing space. We also have this one here, and this is going to be our strawberry bed, which I stained yesterday. And I stain it and seal it, and I will also show you which products I am using for that. This is going to be our grapes, so we're gonna try grapes this year. This is all new. And then we have another bed over there. Haven't decided what we're gonna do with that as of yet. So welcome to our journey, and I look forward to hearing any feedback, any comments, any questions you all may have. We'll be talking to you soon. Thank you.